That's easy, isn't it? We've done that before. Good, we're going to do our bouncing ball. So we have to bounce it with our hand, and then we have to jump. And your feet have got super glue, or a magnet, or something that keeps them stuck together. Very nice. And do you remember we practiced really stretching our legs in this one? Pardon, my lovely? Blue tap. I didn't think of blue tap. Blue tap would work to keep them together, wouldn't it? Yeah, so you've got to think of something that will keep them together. And do you remember I practiced lifting you up so that we had to stretch our legs like a rocket in the air? Good. Oh, excellent. Right, here we go. Okay, feet together.
Bouncing the ball.
Please smile because I still might have to sing. Ready, go. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Silly bounce it, ready. And jump. Good, much better. Squeeze. That's it. Jump. Good, well done. I like your legs.